PSL Pulse bathi cash time course for life simthembele bhotwami mhlekazi asingene gamini but before singene gamini amabhakani aqeda ukulahlekelwa uTito ungathini kuwo bhotwami?
Yeah, Tito is one of the best players Pirates became nazo. If we're gonna talk what happened on the field, I think he played 119 games, 28 goals. I think only 18 assists, 0 red card. Compared to character I was surprised check stats sakhe. So he's one of the best players. He play early brave. I remember Shai Panyenka, Calabash. One of the brave players. But I was having a problem now. I know abantu bayamthanda. Sometimes uTito uyamdinga, I let him down. Bebane even mangibona nakuma documentary the attitude but umuntu akekho perfect but yena is a good player, a typical kasi player. You can say ukuthi is a true reflection ye player yasekasi and those players esikhule sizincanya. So Umjita is a good player and they say a dancer know when to leave the stage. I think it was a good time ukuthi avaye ku Pirates ama fans some respect. 7 trophies 3 seasons. Umjita ayikho into besinomfuna yona. Umjita yena bemnandi but akekho umuntu perfect. All the best kumjita going forward.
Orlando Pirates after they announced ukuthi uyahamba ne they started panicking ukuthi we lost uTito, umfukeng wasesane onda Dino van Rooyen, Mbokazi. They are not like ayiphathanga kahle ukuthi they lost all these quality players including their top striker uMabasa, but it seems like ngathi basada like watching today's game for it.
Mina last season I was speaking to other guy and saying ukuthi for energy, for teamwork, if Pirates I win a league next season they must get rid of uTito Nombole. But I know it's confusing Goma fans because they love those players. For energy, for teamwork, because what is a coach that believe in system, I believe in individual, and you can see uTito was struggling with the Polakawat. So lose uTito. I know uTito is a big player, but it's not concerning. The only thing concerned about Yona is right back. They lose Van Rooyen and they lose Shandu. They lose many players. Right. I think maybe Bazo sign Matulodi because it's only Usbelebele and angifuni a compromise Ulungu abuya azodlala right back because Ulungu can score for you. But Pirates, they always have a plan. I trust the Pirates. I Pirates. I trust the Pirates. I believe Guti. They plan everything, every move by inside. But with uTito, I don't think it's over stress. It's just a matter of time. Guti ba click going forward. But I believe if they can use our police as 10, because Masilela is not ready to play as 10, then you can sub Masilela and also you can write off Dion. Dion can come back and still play. But I don't know what is happening. But it's just a matter of time. Kubuye no Muremi, kuseko no Lungu, Okhotitsile, and these players they need time. But I understand Pirates is too demanding. They don't have time. They want the players to deliver now. But as long they can steal ama results, and I believe bazokhona ukuwa replace lama player vayini.
While usakhuluma ngaba position 10 ne kunesithombe besitrenda izolo sokuthi uKabelo Dlamini ubuyile ku training. Do you think he's gonna be a good asset ku bhola yakawadu? Do you think uyafisa ku bhola yakawadu?
No, it's the same thing I was saying uTito if Pirates was not having many players kula double pivot because in congested pa kusekho onamthajela ombatha oslepe odansini omthiyane many players. I will convert uKabelo noTito to play as 8 because as 10 kawadu as a forward Z4 you must be energetic, you must be quick. It demanding la position and the Pirates pressure lapho ibhola iluze khona. That's why they always defender relaxed because they believe ukuthi they press, they suffocate the team, especially the first 25 minutes. So KB, I think unfortunately for him, I don't think angayisuta le bhola kawadu, but you can't write him off. I don't know what is happening behind the scenes. Maybe improve on something, but KB is too slowly to be number 10 kawadu. kaWadu ibhola kaWadu is too demanding.
Yeah.
Sometimes i-system ye-coach ingakwenza ingathi awumnandanga ube umnandi
Sure.
because of indlela ucoach that adlala ngakhona
ngicela sikhulume ngama movements ka Sebastian Peterson. Yes, he hasn't get much supply. Udlale kayi 2 and both games ungena as a sub. But what do you see in him? Abanye abantu abangayiboni.
The only positive thing I can say engiyibonile it's a team player. Yabo umjita it seems like it's a player that is not believed is not an individual player, but I can't say much about him. And mina I believe a player uyiga isikhathi. That player is coming from Europe, different environment. Yabo ufika la ku Pirates, high expectations, social media. So umjita masimga isikhathi, mina ngizomjaja ngoJanuary. I will give him time. But bengikhuluma nonyumjita ngithi hayi umthu webhakani yaka wavuma amangamla no Diong come as a good player nalomjita amangamla ingathi Orlando wamkelekanga but iPirates ayifane iskemeke in terms of scout player. I believe ukuthi umjita umnandi, let's give him time. Ngiyabelieve kwisikhathi mina, let's give him time. Also before sivale player yami umthethelela imthiyana emfethu bengimfune naturena lamfana hayi mfethu vele izithele ngamanzi le hayi mfethu phaya nithole iplayer hayi but umjita lo bedlala naye I forgot his Mogolot ba he was too far kuye. If he was playing with uDancing someone because manidlala ku pivot ingasuze avele mayibamba ibhola sometimes, that's why ebedlala ama back pass because umjita yena ubelieve ukudlala but iPirates has got a good team and what I like about uWadu he build a spine. He's got a good defense. Unalomjita uZulu yabo indawo kaSibisika ibonakala today even with the double pivot, whether kudlala umthiyane, whether kudlala uDancing, whether kudlala umbatha. So iPirates is building but the only thing mele balungise kuma forwards mele balungise kuma forwards, but I believe they still have time yabo isizini isaqala. And all the best kuma Bhakani sibabone Saturday.
All the best kuma Bhakani mfethu yazi ngicela sivale ngani ufuna ukubona bani ku M10 final.
I would be lying ukuthi ngifuna ubona isikhukhune Arrows because it's going to be a boring final. And also chances are slim, especially for isikhukhune. Ngeke sibuye esigudini on Saturday. So I want Pirates and Arrows because Arrows I feel like it deserves something. I don't know ukuthi izowina or what, but uSimo Dladla seems like a good coach. And the Arrows investor kumajita se KZN kumajita se Lokishini. So I'm wishing Arrows yek final. Then no matter kwenzekeleni, I think it's gonna be motivation for bona after they lose technical team yabo yonke to younger ama players and stuff. I wish Arrows can go to a final with Pirates because it won't sound nice. Isikhukhune and Arrows more special for our sponsors.
Hayi man mhlekazi asivale tata man. But thank you mfethu bafethu PSL Pulse.